Mastering breast pump use, many mothers feel overwhelmed. Questions about milk supply, baby weight gain, and pumping output can create anxiety. Emotional stress can directly impact milk flow because stress hormones may delay letdown reflex. Before pumping, practice relaxation techniques. Deep breathing, listening to calming music, or holding your baby's clothing can trigger emotional connection and improve milk release. Learning proper assembly, correct flange size, and ideal suction settings builds technical confidence. Education reduces fear. After mastering technique and understanding how your body responds, pumping becomes empowering rather than intimidating. Mothers often notice that emotional calmness improves milk flow. Confidence grows as milk storage builds and baby thrives. After weeks of consistent practice, pumping feels like a supportive tool rather than a challenge. Emotional well-being plays a major role in breastfeeding success. Breast pumps are not just mechanical devices, they are tools that support nourishment, bonding, and maternal strength. With knowledge, hygiene, comfort adjustments, routine,